What's up, guys? Welcome back, man. For those of you who are new, my name is Eric. And for those of you who guys are returning, thank you so much for supporting me. I really do appreciate that. All right, recap. Went to the drag strip. Felt like I could have done a little better, but I think the Mustang did the best it could. I think I did the best it could. I got some great tips to hopefully improve for next time. But overall, check out these videos, man. I think, a total of 6 runs, which is right where I wanted. I want to get 6 to 8, which was perfect. I ended up running out of nitrous. Need to get another bottle. I would like to have 2 10-pound bottles. But anyways, check them out. Tell me what you guys think at the end of all this. I want to do kind of even a little more in-depth recap. I want to hear you guys' opinions of what do you guys think I should do moving forward. And yep, that's it, man. So I hope you guys enjoy it. right, guys, there you guys have it. Fastest time was a 7.15 and 99.77 miles per hour, which was pretty good. I talked to some guys before I raced that day, and they kind of looked at my setup, and they're like, man, you should be like around a 7.172, and they're correct. We didn't talk about too much about moving forward. I would really like to get this thing into the 6 seconds. 6.7, yeah, always shooting high. Be happy with the 6.9. But man, I wanted to kind of just do a recap on this and tell me what you guys think, man. You guys out there with the S550s, just to keep in mind, I guess, so you guys know what I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to put, I like this setup now. In the future, I do have other things that I have in mind. Like, I would like to get another block, build that block up, maybe put a turbo. Still open to that thing, but that's in the future. I still think I'm for sure 6 months to a year away from that. But in the meanwhile, I would like to keep my setup right now. I got a 150 shot, Steeda components in the rear, poly bushings, Circle D torque converter, pretty much engine stock Manny, no headers, the Corsa exhaust, just little things. I think with minimal money, maybe I have gotten recommendations that, and my arm's getting tired, maybe a dyno tune would be a good fit for me, since I'm kind of getting away from the streets, going more into a prepped course, and all that stuff. I'm starting talking with my tuner at Lund. Good guys out there. Let me see what I can do. I want to obviously keep a budget to get into the sixes. I think I'm there. I got some ideas on my side as far as maybe some weight reduction. I was thinking about some seats, looking into that. Maybe a hood. But then again, that's money, right? That's money. So there's a couple of ideas that I've gotten that I think I might try out that I can do myself. As far as for engine work, I'm pretty much gonna leave it the same. Like I said, I'm thinking of just maybe a dyno tune, maybe go back to Lund, see what you think, maybe go up just a smidge on the nitrous side. Don't know yet. Give me your input, man. Tell me what you guys think. What should I do? Other than that, that's about it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. As usual, I'm gonna try to put as much as I got extra. There are so many good cars out there, man. Awesome time. I can't wait for the next one. Next one, probably, to be realistic, probably won't be till April. Gotta make adjustments. But other than that, thank you for tuning in, my friends, and I will catch you guys next time.